My name is Justin Lamoureux. I'm an adventure lover and I also love to eat. For over 20 years I've canoed beautiful rivers and made some delicious food. I've learned that a day of paddling followed by campfire cooking make the most satisfying meal. So join me on a river adventure and find out what's cooking. It's early August, and this time I'll be spending a few nights out in Opening Park with my wife and 2 kids. We'll be staying on an island and sleeping in a tent, and we get to live for a few days uninterrupted by technology. My kids get to explore the lake by canoe and explore the island and see the different things that are growing during this time of year. There's blueberries, pin cherries, and also the juniper berries that are ripe right now. We've got the pan warming up. We're going to toss some bacon on there. We've got Brussel sprouts. We're going to add some onions, some balsamic vinegar, and some raisins. Perfect campfire meal. We're going to get the bacon crispy. Then we're going to take it off and then cook the Brussels sprouts. So we're just going to lay out all of these Brussels sprouts and put a cover on it. I want the Brussels sprouts to cook through, otherwise they'll just be fried on one side and kind of raw on the inside. Get some nice color in there, green and purple, beautiful. Crispy bacon, balsamic reduction. And I'm going to add it all. It's about 2 tablespoons, tablespoon and a half. Put the raisins in there. Mix it all up. So we've got the bacon added to the Brussels sprouts, red onion that's been softened, the balsamic vinegar and the raisins. Just mixing this up. We've got this pretty much done. The only thing missing, just a little bit of salt and pepper. Thanks, Sam. We're just gonna add a bit of Parmesan on the Brussels sprouts. So we got lucky, we didn't get rained on. We get some of the red onion, bacon, and a bit of the Parmesan. The saltiness of the Parmesan's coming through with the bacon and the sweetness of the balsamic and the raisins too. Really good. That richness of the Parmesan does add a lot. Farmer sausage, classic, just cooked on the grill. That smokiness and saltiness is just like picking everything up. Awesome campsite meal. Make something good on the fire. Get out there. Enjoy life. Eat well.
On peut parler si qu'on veut.
Ben oui, c'est fini.
Pas mal bon.
The Brussels sprouts are awesome. Tune in next time for episode 3, Lunch!